Today I want to share a site where you can make $50 in just 30 minutes. It's super simple. All you gotta do is watch Google Ads, and the site pays you for it. Let me show you how it works. The link to the site is in the description. Signing up is easy peasy. I'm gonna show you this part of the site. You'll see different ads pop up, and for each ad you watch, you earn coins. I'll tell you how much they're worth in a bit. To get 91 coins, you need to stick around for 30 seconds on their site. You can't skip that, you really gotta stay for the full 30 seconds. Oh, and you'll need to hit a verify button to prove you're not a robot. See? They gave me the coins. This part is for transferring money to your wallet. I started watching Google Ads for 30 minutes and collected what they gave me. Check out how much I was able to gather. It shows how much it is in Bitcoin. Now let's see how much that is in dollars. I made $50. Not too shabby, I'm happy with that. Now let's figure out how to transfer it to my wallet. It was a bit of a hassle since I wanted dollars, but they only gave Bitcoin and there were some limits. I chatted with their support, and after a day of back and forth, they finally got back to me. In the end, they sent me the cash. If you want me to share more ways to make money from sites like this, hit that like button on the video.